Acoustics is about controlling the ambient noise within a space. So we want to reduce as many of the first reflections. Noise as it comes out of my mouth is scattering everywhere. It's bouncing off the ceiling, the floor, the laptop screen, and then it just goes this way. Depending on how reflective these surfaces are, it will keep on going until it gets absorbed. The energy of my voice in those air particles will eventually get absorbed. The more reflective the surfaces that are in your space, so often we're coming into boardrooms and office spaces with their modern designs, their really hard office desks. You've got plasterboard ceilings. Often you can have quite high ceilings as well. Lots of glass partitioning. This is a very reflective environment.